Welcome back to Solar Ryobi. My name is Logan, and today we have the Ryobi USB Lithium Pivoting LED 3-mode flip light. This is the FVL52K. We're going to talk about some of the specs, try it out, and let you know what we think. Let's get started. As you can see, guys, we have a lot of Ryobi tools to go through. We've got the USB at 18 volts, the 40 volts, the links, the vacuums, even the corded and hand tools. So make sure to comment below now to let us know what tool you want to see next. Today we are focusing on the USB battery-powered pivoting LED 3-mode flip light, but we do have many more light videos in our channel, so make sure to go check those out as well. So as you can see, we've already opened this one up. We've actually been using it for over a year now, but I do want to go through some of the specs on this one. First and foremost, it has 500 lumens of output on the high mode. It's got a high, medium, and low. It does have a magnetic collapsible stand, 2x mounting capability to put on those 2x4s or 2x6s. It is IP54 water and dust resistance, which we have definitely put to the test. It has over 24 hours of runtime on that 2 amp hour battery. A few other things, because this is the kit, it came with a battery and a USB charger, which is really nice. Anytime you can get a battery and a charger with the tool, you're saving money there and getting a better bang for your buck. So that's pretty awesome. Otherwise, that's just about it for the specs on this one. So let's go through, let's try this out, and then let's talk about some of the things we like and some of the things we don't like. So again, some of the features on this one. The power button is located on the top right here, very similar to the rest of the light buttons on their USB tools. It comes with 10 LEDs through the center here, and then the base, which swivels out 180 degrees, you can see that there, and is very stable depending on what angle you want or want to set it at. And then again, is also 2x4 compatible or 2x compatible. So you can slide this onto a 2x piece of wood and use it there. And then the battery itself is on this side here. So you've got the standard cap that they use with their USB battery tools right there. Slides in just like that. Now, a couple of things on this. Like I said, we've been using this for over a year. One of the things we would use it for is on our snow grooming equipment. Because it's magnetic, we can set it on the base of the chassis and it will illuminate the snow as we're grooming the snow. One thing we forgot to do this last winter is take it out of the snow groomer that we had it in, which means it spent the entire summer in with the snow groomer in the wet environment and snowy environment, which means we did ruin one of the batteries. So this battery has some corrosion on it. We obviously ruined this battery because it was still in the battery compartment, and so water was able to penetrate the housing. However, as you'll see here, if we press the light here, the light still works just fine. So pretty cool that it was able to survive that wet environment, because we really like this light. It makes for a nice area light. Again, magnetic base, 2x compatible. The way that this works is you have a high, medium, and low. So there's high, medium, and low. There we go. And off. So you got your 3 modes. We'll go ahead and turn off the lights and then try it out. All right, and we understand that it's sometimes hard to see exactly how well a light is doing, especially with the cameras and the different lighting environments, but we've got most of the lights except for obviously our backdrop lights here are off. So we'll go ahead and turn this on. So there's one, and you can't really see too much. It's definitely more of an area light. Again, we'll go 1, there's 1, 2, and 3. So again, on that low mode, probably around 100 lumens. Again, 500 down to probably about 100 lumens there. Not too bad. So there's on that high mode again. And for comparison, we'll use their compact LED light here. And you can see there, this one's more of a directional, so it's definitely more direct versus a more floodlight. Again, these 10 LEDs functioning more as a flood light. So depending on what you're looking for it to do, again, we bought it to illuminate a large area as we were out at night, and you can see how it does that there. Again, there's high, medium, and low. So there's your 3 modes. Again, on that low setting, not a lot of illumination coming off. Definitely that 24 hours of runtime is nice. If you had to, we'll take this one to low as well. You can see that depending on the area, that does a pretty good job. So let's go ahead and talk about some of the things we like and some of the things we don't like. To kick it off, some of the things we really like are some of the additional features that this area light gives you. The flip compatibility, that makes it so that you can make it directional and cover the specific area that you're trying to illuminate. It does have kind of gripping teeth on the 2x holding material, so it'll even mount upside down. If you're like in the rafters or something, you could mount it directly down and it would illuminate just like that. So that's really cool. Again, one of the other things that we really like about this is the magnets on the base or the stand. It even will connect to things like screws. So if you've got a screw, it will even connect just on a screw on the wall. So because it's so lightweight, it's able to connect to just about anything, anywhere that you want it. So really, really like the way that works. Like the 10 LEDs, the 500 lumens. It could be a little bit more, and we wouldn't complain about that, but 500 is not bad. And then 24 hours of runtime with the 2 amp hour battery is awesome. Also, because again, this is part of the kit, love the fact that we got the battery and charger included. Now on to some of the things we don't like. Obviously, would have loved not to ruin a battery, so if they could increase the IP rating, that'd be awesome. Now, the fact that we haven't ruined the tool completely, that's pretty cool. So there's definitely some waterproofing that they've done, some dust proofing that they've done to this. So it is fairly durable. Again, nitpicking, I'd say maybe one of the things we'd love is to see it a little bit more durable. We're pretty hard on our tools, especially out at night, in the weather, out in the snow, those kind of things. But overall, if you're looking for a very compact work light, this is going to be pretty hard to beat, especially again, that runtime, the illumination, it's really, really good. And then all the different various ways that you can mount it, just setting down on metal or on 2x material. So guys, that's it for today. Let us know in the comments, what do you think of the Ryobi Lithium USB flip light? What do you think of the USB battery powered tools from Ryobi? And what tool do you want to see next? See you next time. Pivoting LED 3-mode flip light. FVL52K. Triple LED. No. Pivoting LED. LED 3 mode. This is gonna be brutal.